All I can say is, are we recording? They don't make rubber like they used to, and I'll point that out. Come with me. I can show you tires that are like 18 months old, and there's fine cracks in them already. This rubber here is still intact, pliable, and no cracks. This was a hot tub at one time, and I made that triangular piece just where the knobs for the water control were. That was before you were born. This thing has sat out in the sunlight for over 30 years, and that rubber is still in good condition. So why is it that a car tire starts to crack at 18, 24 months? Crazy. Well, hopefully this is some of that kind of rubber. Let's go make some pieces.